Hey guys, this is Oliver Smith from OMS.FITNESS, and today I want to talk to you about how you can keep progressing in the gym. So I know a lot of people who have been working out for a long time and they're really frustrated because they never really seem to make progress. The physique doesn't change much, they don't get much stronger, they don't really look like they work out. And so a lot of the reason for this is because they don't really change things up. They do the same thing week after week, same weight, same reps, same sets, same routine all the time. In order to progress, you need to be making things a little bit harder each week. So this video is about a concept called progressive overload. That's just a fancy term for making things harder in the gym week after week. There are a lot of ways you can do this, but for myself and the majority of my clients, I choose the following two ways. So the first way is to add weight to the bar. So each week, you're gonna add either 5 to 10 pounds to an exercise. As an example, say on week 1 you're doing the bench press, you're doing 135 pounds for 3 sets of 8. The following week, instead of doing the same thing like you usually would, you're gonna add 5 pounds to the bar. So this time you'll be doing 140 pounds for 3 sets of 8. Next week, same deal. Add 5 pounds, so it would be 145 pounds for 3 sets of 8. You're gonna keep doing this until you can no longer add weight to the bar. For most people, especially beginners, you can do this for quite a while, like 4 to 6 weeks. The more advanced you get, it's a little bit more difficult because you're using such heavy weight at that point. But most beginners are starting pretty light, so you can, progress for quite a long time. This lends itself really well to compound exercises. So think squats, deadlifts, bench press, leg press, hack squats, all those stuff. Great candidates for adding 5, even 10 pounds each week. The other way you can make it more challenging is to add reps. So this is going to be more applicable to isolation movements, but here's an example. Say you're doing dumbbell bicep curls, 20-pound dumbbells, and you're doing 3 sets of 10. The next week, instead of doing the same thing, you're going to add a rep. So you would use 20-pound dumbbells, but you would do 3 sets of 11. Following week, same deal. 20-pound dumbbells, but now you're doing 3 sets of 12. Keep doing that until you can no longer progress. For most people, they can progress quite a while with this, and once you can no longer progress for, you stall out for 2 or 3 weeks, same deal with adding weight. If you stall out for 2 or 3 weeks, time to reevaluate the situation, maybe change your plan up a little bit, and then go from there and then repeat the cycle. Adding reps is gonna lend itself really well to isolation exercises. So think, bicep curls, lateral raises, stuff like that, it works really well with. It's also helpful to do with dumbbells because with dumbbells in most gyms, they only go up by 5-pound increments. And so say you're doing, dumbbell curls, we'll use that same example with 20-pound dumbbells. If you try to go up in weight, you're going to be going from 20 pound to 25 pounds, which seems like a 5-pound increment, but remember that's in each hand. So really that's a 10-pound jump. And for something like a bicep curl or a lateral raise, a 10-pound jump is just not feasible for most people. So adding reps is going to be ideal for that. So those are the 2 most common ways that you can make things more difficult in the gym. Try not to overcomplicate it, just choose one variable and make it more challenging each week and you will totally make more progress than you're currently making. If this video was super just kind of over your head, confusing, or you don't want to think about stuff like that, you should definitely look into my online training because I take care of all of this for you. So I write your program, put it in an app, you go to the gym, look at the app, say, cool, I got to do this weight, this rep, this set. You do it. I get notified when you finish and then I update it for you for the next week. So I do this all for you. However, if you think you can do this by yourself, totally cool. Just remember these 2 things, either add weight or add reps to the bar. My first video, guys, so I really appreciate you watching. If you liked it, please share, comment, send me a DM, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to learn more about myself and what I do, check out my website. It's OMS.FITNESS, so no .com, just OMS.FITNESS, and you can check out all my online training stuff. I've got some blogs, some information. Check it out. I appreciate the help, guys. Thanks.